Hey guys, so in this video, I wanted to show you how you can actually set up a partner marketplace or like a vendor marketplace in Lovable. It's really easy to do. I'm going to show you how I did it for my own website, and then you can go about implementing it for your own business. So all you have to do is you tell Lovable, if you want to use an example, feel free to use mine. I don't care. All you have to do is just go into here and use this tool, which is called GoFullPage. If you click on it, it will take a full page screenshot of this page, and you can actually copy this or like download it to your computer and then just paste it into here and say into the chat feature of Lovable, and then basically just say, can you build a marketplace like this that lists out available perks which people can submit. And I technically have two sections. I have this section, which is help shape our perks, and they actually submit a form. This then becomes a perk suggestion, and you could call it perk. You can call it, vendor application, whatever you want. But for me, I like perk. I think it sounds cool. They submit this. Once they do, I on the back end can go ahead and approve it through Supabase. And once it's approved, then it will show up here as an active perk. Once you upload this image, you can just tell it, hey, can you make this look like the image I just uploaded? I want to create a database system that allows for perk submissions and also perk approvals. So that way partners can submit. And the reason for all of this is that basically members who join your program or join your software or whatever can effectively get access to these cool, exciting things if they work with your company. So it's part of you getting them on as a client or a customer. So this could be for anything. It could be for communities, it could be for software, it could be for services, whatever you want, you can offer it here. People can actually view offers. So if you want, you can do a screenshot of this page as well. So this will show the dynamic folder, which is in. And what you want to tell Lovable is to set it up as if it's a folder structure where you have perks or partners and then Vinly or whatever the company is underneath it as a folder, a subfolder. This is the proper way to structure this for an SEO perspective, and it's also just what users are most used to. So I'd recommend you can just copy the URL, paste it in here, and say, hey, can you make the structure of these dynamic pages look like this? Again, you can take a screenshot of this and you can say, hey, can you make it dynamic? So that way, when I upload content in Supabase for a perk, it is then in here and it can just be switched on or switched off whenever I want to do so. Another cool thing I would recommend doing, which takes very little time with Lovable, is to just go to your homepage and you can do a dynamic thing where you say, write a sentence like this. You can copy this one and put it in there if you want. That takes this number value and adds up the number value from the perks. So what's pretty cool about the website right now is anytime I add a new perk for my members, it'll actually go in here and update the value. So see how it just updated? I don't know if you noticed that, but it was loading and then updated. That's happening in real time inside Lovable. So this is really cool. This is the kind of stuff that would be really difficult to do in a tool like Webflow or in ClickFunnels, and Lovable has a huge advantage here. So I recommend doing something like that if you want to leverage a partner program or a vendor marketplace or something like that for your own business. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any questions, as always, let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to help. And feel free to use my website as a resource for setting up your own Lovable vendor marketplace. Thanks.